Come on, everybody, come on. Pwede mo sa naman ka na. Ha? Asa si Mommy? Asa si Mommy? Asa si Mommy? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, and parents of our great leader, Mr. Angelito Cuevas and Mary Jane Cuevas. Thank you so much, Paul. Let's also give a big round of applause as we welcome here Mr. Renato Obalias and Mrs. Emiliana Obalias. Everybody, come on! Hey! Grabing energy ni Daddy. Ana, dapat. Of course, thank you so much. Since naghatag o grabing energy atong parents sa Buckle, at this point in time, we'll be acknowledging our principal sponsors. Ganinongs at ganinangs, kinaadali karon, dapat muki ay good po, dili ko tingadili. Okay? Alright, let's start here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome a big applause for Mr. Celso Marabulas Jr. and Mrs. Emily Marabulas. Come on, everybody, please stand. Hey. Everybody, applause, please. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Grabe ito ha. Okay. How about welcoming here Mr. Artemio Santillan and Mrs. Arlene Becuye.